Hi, today I'm going to make a very simple tart. It's a buckwheat chocolate salted caramel tart. So let's get started with the flour mix for the biscuit base. So what I'm using here is buckwheat flour, which is easily available in the market, and it's called Kuttu Ka Atta. I'm also using almonds that goes in there. If you have almond meal, you can use that. A little corn flour, that'll help us bind the tart together. Some cocoa powder to make our biscuit based chocolate, sugar to sweeten it, it's brown sugar, you can use coconut sugar, you can use normal sugar, whatever you have, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to run this through the grinder, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back. Here's our biscuit base all ground. To this, I'm going to add some ghee or clarified butter. Of course, you can use some normal melted butter as well if you like. This is really simple. It's an eggless base. All we've got to do is bring this together to form a biscuit base, which we should then push into the tart pan. So if you see now, it's coming together quite well. At this stage, it's best to give up the whisk and get your fingers in and see if it comes together properly. And if you hold this between, you will see that the base will hold through. So now let's transfer this to our tart tin. So I'm going to take this and put this into the oven to bake now. So now the biscuit base is baking. Let's get the chocolate filling going for the tart. I've got some dark chocolate here, to which I'm going to add cream. And I'm going to run this in the microwave for about a minute so that it can melt. Okay, looks like the chocolate's almost done. Let's try. Yes, looks good. So basically we're going to mix the two together gently so that the cream and the chocolate come together. In case you find that the chocolate hasn't melted properly, you can run it in the microwave for another 30 seconds each time until it comes together. Always best to keep chocolate at room temperature for things like this, and the cream as well. So if you can see now, we're almost getting a good ganache. To this we're going to add some ghee. And since it's a 72% dark chocolate, a little honey. There we go. So that's basically it. Whisk it. It comes together. It's going to be nice and glossy eventually. And once our biscuit base is baked, we're going to add salted caramel to the base and this topping. The tart base is baked. It's still warm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this salted caramel sauce all over the base, right like that. If you'd like me to share the recipe of the salted caramel sauce, please leave a message in the comments below. Since it's warm, the base, it's going to help me spread it out. Let's take an offset spatula and just push it into the edges. So we'll wait for this to cool down a bit and then we'll top it with our chocolate filling. So I'm going to add the chocolate filling that we had made earlier. Just pour it all over the base. There we are. Try and get every bit in there. Tap it gently. It should take its own level. That's it. We'll wait for this to cool down and then chill it for a couple of hours.